Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Peter's Precious. So today we'll be talking about binge eating. We already have an idea of what anorexia nervosa is. We have what an idea of bulimia is, and if we can remember clearly, we said that bulimia has to do with binge eating and purging. So now today's topic is going to be binge eating disorder. So now, what is binge eating? There's no need to stress about it. Binge eating is just basically when a person feels compelled to overeat on regular basis. That is just what binge eating is. So binge eating involves the regular eating of a lot of food over a very short period of time to the point of feeling extremely and uncomfortably full. That is what binge eating is. Even when you are full and they keep eating and it feels, by the time it's eaten, you are very, very uncomfortable. That is when you see people like, that's binge eating, extreme eating over a very short period of time, and you eat till you're extremely satisfied that it becomes painful. And it's usually funny because unlike the remaining eating disorders, binge eating is usually planned for. Like, you see them waiting for a particular time to get to their house, and some people have a binge food, like a special meal which they usually binge eat. So and of course, some people who binge eat or have this binge eating disorder usually feel ashamed after eating. Of course, they usually feel, some people do feel ashamed. That's why they hide to do it, to carry it out, because they usually feel guilty and ashamed after they binge eat. Now, both men and women are affected by this binge eating. Now, it could be of any age, but it's usually common in people or individuals between their late teenage years and their early 20s. That's when you see people having this form of eating disorder, which is binge eating. The symptoms or signs of binge eating disorder is, the main symptom actually of binge eating disorder is eating a lot of food in a very short period of time and not being able to stop even when they feel full, like they are satisfied. But the inability to stop even when satisfied is why it is binge eating. So some other symptoms of binge eating is eating when not hungry, eating in secret, eating very fast in a very short period of time, usually during a binge, of course, and after eating feeling depressed, guilty, disgusted, ashamed. Those feelings comes after binge eating. So if you intend on helping those around you to get over this binge eating, there are some symptoms you also have to look out for to see it in someone else, not just yourself. If you see an individual like eat a lot of food very quickly, it tries to hide how much they are eating, or they store up supplies of food and they put on weight rapidly. And please, this is not for everybody. Not everybody had weight rapidly or very fast is binge eating. So they need to have other symptoms for you to say, oh, okay, yes, this person's okay, this is binge eating. You need to see other symptoms before you can categorize people adding weight. And the causes of binge eating is just the same as bulimia nervosa. It could be in a family. Maybe a family has history of binge eating, depression, alcohol, drug abuse. If it's in the family line, it's possible that an individual might get it from there. Maybe the person has been harassed of the amounts they eat. They've been harassed about their weight size, their body mass index. Like, maybe people have been complaining about them. They've been sexually abused or harassed. They're trying to maybe people always say, oh, you're too skinny, why are you so slim? Put up some flesh now. So many side comments can make an individual develop this binge eating disorder. So there are various causes of it too. If you find out you or your friends or your neighbors or someone you know have this disorder, the best thing for you to do is to reach out to them and let them seek help. There are so many platforms, there are so many ways this could be treated. They are treatable. All these disorders are very treatable. They can make use of drugs as medication, CBTs, that's cognitive behavioral therapy, family therapy for that if it's occurring in a young child. So many treatment plans can be used to treat such disorders in an individual. So if you're having any of the symptoms, please just seek help as fast as possible so it doesn't degenerate and cause so many other things. People start having social phobia, anxiety, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder. Before it starts generating to other things, it's best to seek help at the early stage. So if you discover it in an individual, in your friends, in yourself, in your family members, please do seek help as fast as possible. Thank you. So I hope you guys learned one or two things from today's video about binge eating, what binge eating is basically, causes of binge eating. We have the symptoms of binge eating: they're hiding to eat, storing food, extremely large amount of food, eating till their stomach is uncomfortably full and inability to even stop when they feel they're in such discomfort. So you should know that there are so many help remedies out there: CBTs, therapy, medications. There are so many treatment plans out there. So please just reach out to people. There are a lot of platforms that are willing to help and assist individuals going through one or any of these disorders, eating disorders. So please do like and share to your family, share to your friends. Someone out there might be going through this and they just need to hear this to seek help at the early stage. Please share to friends and family. See you next time. Bye.